Hey everybody, thanks for clicking on the video link here. And just real quickly, this is Don Wilkinson. I'm here in Cancun, Mexico with about 500 leaders from our company. We're just getting ready to go to Japan, and we're looking for Japanese Americans or people that know people that are bilingual to help us take the incredible company and product into Japan. What I can tell you, my background was I published residential real estate magazines, owned 8 franchises in that world for 20 plus years, had a tremendous background in branding and marketing, but lost everything as a result of the economy in 2009 and 10. This company came along, had some medical breakthroughs, exclusive products, incredible management and leadership, and I joined 4 years ago when the company launched. And we're just getting started, but we've done a combined total of $1 billion in that short 4 years, made the Inc. magazine top 500, that #1 for consumer products, and we're just on an absolute roll. But Japan is the gateway to the rest of Asia. If you want an opportunity that's absolutely amazing and just incredible, and you want to be a part of a leadership team that we have that teaches branding and marketing and how to do this business the way that our leadership has laid out, then we are the team, and we're looking for some leaders. So if you know somebody, if not you, I sure appreciate you filling out the information below. We'll get you a few more short videos, 2 to 3 minutes maximum in each one of them, about the products, the opportunity, and certainly the opportunity to come into Japan. And then we'll get together and have a chat about what we're doing and tell you how we could move forward. So just check it out, see what you think. It's been a life-changing event for me, getting ready to go to a nice dinner with a bunch of leaders down below and get honored with some things, as all of us will be. So I hope to meet you and hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.